Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Mike here from TeamHira Adventures. So today I'm doing a cooking video, some shark saltfish with Karela. I also have some Chana Dal. I don't know if you guys ever tried the Chana Dal. It's very good, just like the original Dal. And it's more healthy, a lot more fiber in it, it's more healthy for you. And I'm gonna make some rice here. So I hope everyone having a blessed day and a blessed Wednesday evening. Enjoy your rest of the evening. Thank you again for watching from advance. Thank you for following our channel. Thank you for all your support. Alright guys, so let me show you the Chana Dal and the saltfish. Guys, so this is the shark saltfish. You know, we have some video out there from Guyana. My wife and daughter went to Guyana, so I bring back some shark saltfish here. Like you remember long ago when everything was banned, this we use it a lot. And up to still people use it. So here I have bell pepper, tomato, onion, and this is just Chana Dal I have here. I soak it for a while. When you cook it, tastes real good, just like the regular dal. You don't know the difference, and it's more healthy for you. That's the oil. I got fry that's the oil you guys know me, I always use. I used to fry the Karela. I have a pot here with hot water. I'm gonna heat up the stove, boil this. To boil the shark salt, fish out some of the salt from it. This is the water I have here for the dal, the Chana Dal. This is my Karela here. I just have to chip it up. I washed it already. I just have to chip it up. Then I'm gonna put that on after. First I gotta do the dal, the rice, and then I gotta boil the saltfish out, and then I go work on the Karela. Alright guys, so here's the Karela. Over here I have the shark saltfish boiling on some of the salt. Dal over there, the Chana Dal, and I have some rice here going. So I'm gonna chip the Karela up. After I finish chip this up, I'll fry this with the shark saltfish. Once this is finished. So we can continue again, stay tuned. Alright guys, so that's the Chana Dal cooking there. Still have to go more it. And I soak it, so when you soak it, don't take long to cook. The rice is almost finished here. So this is the shark saltfish. I wash it with some vinegar first. I boil it out, strain it out, get out some of the salt from it. So we can fry that with the Karela here. In the dal, I drop up 1 whole pepper, 1 tablespoon of curry powder inside. So when it's almost finished, then I'm gonna drop some jeera. Sometimes I might just cut some garlic and do it like that, or if not, I just put the regular grind jeera and leave it. But I might bunge it with some fresh garlic. I have fresh garlic, I might put some bunge with it with the fresh garlic. So I'm gonna pour some oil in here. And so I just drop some grind seasoning inside here. Garlic, onion, pepper, celery, herbs, a lot of herbs inside it. Yeah, that's fried up a little. Yeah, that's the onion. And we're going to keep some of the onion, drop the Karela in. So we let this saute up a little. Alright guys, so the onion caramelized there. So we're going to drop the shark and saltfish inside now. Stir. If you want, you can just do it by itself. You don't have to put Karela, you can just do it by itself with the dal and rice. So we always add some vegetable inside. Alright, so we let that cook. And then we're going to drop the Karela in. Alright, so that's going in. The rice is almost finished there. See the dal, the Chana Dal? Look like real dal there. I drop a tablespoon curry powder. So I'm going to put some jeera, then I'm going to put some fresh garlic and chunky. I'm going to grab this 1 bell pepper inside, cut it up small. We used to use a bottom of Guyana a lot before. Then we used to ban the saltfish. And still people use it a lot right now. Alright guys, leave me some comment, let me know if you use this shark saltfish. Alright, so let's get this some sauce. Never add any salt until I add the Karela. When it's almost finished, then I go check the salt because we still have some salt in it. So I'm not going to add any salt in it right now. So you add the tomato. I washed it already. I'm going to put one in now, then when I put the Karela in, I'm going to put add the second one in. So I'm going to put like 2 or 3 of this red pepper. I'm going to add maybe a couple more after I drop the Karela in. So I have some fresh garlic here. This one I'm going to chip up and use a chunk of the dhal. Alright guys, so that's what the shark saltfish look like with the bell pepper, the tomato, the onion. So I'm going to fry some more before I put the Karela in. Look at the dhal. You don't believe it's Chana Dal, I think it's a regular dhal. So almost finished. So we'll add some jeera into it, then I got chunk it. This is the frying pan I have here. The salt, the garlic, the chunk of the dhal. Guys, so I use the I'll go to the dhal and mash it up. Make sure everything, no lump left, everything is boiled, everything is mashed up. We got some jeera. A tablespoon and a half. So make sure it's incorporated with the dhal. Just spin a little more. Need some more salt. And I use Himalayan salt, the pink Himalayan salt. Let us taste it back again. Perfect. No more salt. So we can slow the fire on this finish. And I just put the garlic, fry the garlic, the chunky little dhal. Look guys. Look at the Chana Dal. Look like real regular dhal, and it's healthy for you. It's really good. Tastes really good. Try it if you never tried Chana Dal. It's really good. So I have the garlic frying in the back there to chunk it. After I fry, then I got chunk the dhal. Salt is good. Everything is good. Shark Saltfish is going here. Alright, so we can drop the Karela in now. So let's put the Karela in. The rice is finished, it's draining there. Alright guys, so you just drop the Karela in. I will put this one more tomato inside. More onion here. I put a lot of onion because now the place is cold, it's not hot, so you don't have to worry about spoiling. And I use a lot of onion. I just dropping it. The garlic it's finished, I have to drop it inside the dal. Alright, so this part, guys, you gotta very be careful. You can get burned, so you keep your whole cover close. Because once you drop it, you gotta put the cover over it. Alright, so let's. You gotta be fast because not to get burned. So we'll leave that there for a couple of minutes and then we go stir it up. So we're gonna add some more of the marine pepper. Alright, so we let that fry and then just rest the lid on it. Leave a couple of inches open. Alright guys, so that's the dal finished there. Now you can drop some scallion shallot inside, but I'm not putting any shallot or scallion. That's the dal finished here, the Chana Dal. Give it a try guys, this dal is very good. There's the garlic I just roasted and put in. You don't have to roast it that dark, you can like less darker than this, but we usually like it when it's kind of dark, it tastes real nice. So you see that this is the Chana Dal guys. Give it a try. And let me know if you try it. Leave me a comment if you try it. Let me know how you like, if you like it. Chana Dal. Alright? Alright guys, this is the pepper tree here. This one bear a lot, so you get a lot of, if you have a lot of green ones still. You have a couple of ripe on there, one ripe on there, some, I think some of the bottom. But these three here, I don't know what happened. Right through the summer, nothing. Now they show some flower, but no bearing. Tomato tree, no bearing. So these didn't bear the whole summer, no pepper from these. So I don't know what happened to these pepper tree. We should put some stuff, plant food, and still no bear. This is the other tree we get a lot of pepper from. And I have a balanji tree in front. That's one we had a lot of balanji from that tree. So we have some soursop leaf boiling here to drink. Very good for you. Virus, cleanse, cholesterol, blood sugar, everything. Very good for you. This is it right here. Soursop leaf. See how much is it? $9.99. And you boil it and drink it. Very good for you. I have to buy a new pack. This one is finished, so I have to get a new one. That's the last set I just used up. Alright guys, so that's the Shark Saltfish finished there. It's really tasty. It's fresh. It's not like the one you get on Liberty Avenue. It's frozen up and a lot of salt. This one is more fresh from Guyana. It really tastes good. And I show you what it looked like from before. Let me show you next. Guys, this is very fresh. It's not the one you get on Liberty Avenue. Frozen up, full of salt on it. This one really tastes good. So that's what I did here with the Karela. And we have the Dahl over there, finished. And the rice also finished. And this is going to be finished soon. That's my herb tea, soursop leaf. It's very good. Try it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like this recipe I make with the Karela and the shark came from Guyana. And yeah, you guys saw my wife make a shark video with a galeback curry. That was a shark video. She made that one. So I make this one. The shark came from Guyana. Fresh shark. The fresh shark here with Karela, Dahl, and rice. Guys, thank you again for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. And you can get the Shark Saltfish on Liberty, but it's not tasty and fresh as this one. This is more tasty and fresh. But give it a try. And try the Chana Dal. Chana Dal is very good. It's more healthy and it's better for you. Alright guys, thank you again. Hope you guys have a blessed Wednesday evening. Good night to everyone. Bye. See you back soon.